You walk into the gym, and the first thing that hits you is the smell. Sweat mixed with rubber mats and a hint of disinfectant. It's intimidating, isn't it? You glance around, and there they are. The seasoned gym-goers, gliding effortlessly on treadmills, their faces a mask of concentration, while you stand there, heart racing, wondering if you really belong. But let's take a breath. You're here, and that's what matters. Cardio is your gateway, your first step into this world, and it doesn't have to be a daunting experience. Let's start simple. The treadmill. It's like the old reliable friend who's always there for you. You can walk, jog, or run, whatever feels right. Set it to a comfortable pace, maybe a brisk walk to begin with. Feel the rhythm of your feet hitting the belt, the steady beat of your heart syncing with your steps. It's just you and the machine, and you can control it. Gradually, you can increase the speed. Challenge yourself a little more each time. Remember, it's not about how fast you go, it's about consistency. Just keep moving. Then there's the elliptical. It's like a dance, a low-impact waltz that gets your heart pumping without the harshness of running. You can push and pull, engage your arms and legs, and feel that burn in your muscles. It's a full-body workout, and it's forgiving. If you're feeling tired, slow down. If you're feeling strong, crank up the resistance. It's all about listening to your body. Let's not forget about cycling. The stationary bike is a fantastic option. You can adjust the seat, find your perfect position, and pedal away. You can imagine you're cruising down a scenic path, wind in your hair, even if you're just staring at a wall. You can challenge yourself with intervals. Pedal hard for a minute, then ease off for a minute. It's a great way to build endurance and strength without the impact on your joints. And what about group classes? They can be a game changer. There's something about being surrounded by others, all working towards the same goal, that can ignite a spark in you. Whether it's Zumba, spinning, or a simple cardio circuit, the energy in the room can push you to go further than you thought possible. But here's the key. Don't rush. Progress takes time, and every drop of sweat is a step towards your goals. Celebrate the small victories, those extra minutes on the treadmill, the increased resistance on the bike. Each session is a building block, and before you know it, you'll find yourself not just in the gym, but thriving in it. So lace up those shoes, take a deep breath, and remember, you're just getting started.